Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox is not launching on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and you just need to click the link in the description below or in the comments, and then you just need to open up this browser here, this website. And then what you need to do next is to put the code that also I will provide you in the comments, and then you need to press download and wait for a couple of minutes here. And the file should be automatically downloaded to your computer. You just need to then right click on it, extract all, save it to whatever you like. In this case will be desktop. And again, I need to wait for a couple of seconds here. And once the file is extracted, you just need to go to Roblox Player Beta.exe. And then we just need to wait for a couple of seconds and the Roblox should load up. So as you can see here, Roblox loading up. My account is on. So yeah, that's basically it. What I want to show you. If I help you out, please press like.